The MADONGLI Clothes Wringer uses a hand crank and paired rollers to pull out a surprising amount of water, leaving laundry far drier than most compact washers manage on their own. Its heavy metal frame and solid clamp hardware feel built for long-term use, even when you are wringing dense towels or work clothes day after day. The patterned rubber rollers grip fabric securely, so water is squeezed out efficiently without you having to run the same item through multiple times. Because the unit is relatively small and mounts where you need it, it works especially well in tight spaces like recreational vehicles, small apartments, or off-grid cabins. It is particularly handy for things like chamois cloths, car wash sponges, and cleaning towels, cutting down drying time between tasks and helping gear stay ready to use. Assembly is straightforward, and once it is bolted or clamped into place, operation is intuitive enough that most people will be wringing laundry smoothly within a few minutes.